Okay, we are all done so let's see. Yes, so I'm done with setting up this new record, address record. So now go to a client machine, okay, and let's verify the DNS server is really working. So at the same time, using the Wireshark, we're going to capture some of the DNS related packets. So let's first open the Wireshark, and so this is client, so Win7 or XP machine, and then we're going to execute NSLOOKUP. So this is Windows 7, and then let's just first open a Wireshark, run a Wireshark, and then capture interface. I click this NIC card, and then start. Okay. At the same time, let me just open a CMD window, and then type NS lookup, and when I say so we have to type in the NS lookup, we have to type www.myresume.com to see if the DNS server returns 192.168.0.20, and then another test that we should run is type ftp.myresume.com to see you receive the same IP address. So I'm running two servers. One is web server and another is FTP server. That's my assumption. So let's just test that. So myresume.com. Oops, is that myresume.com. Yes, it returns the IP address, which is .20, and then let's see, runs ftp.myresume.com. So it returns, it says FTP myresume.com's IP address is 192.168.0.20, which is correct. So at this point, I'm going to stop capturing the packet. Okay, and let's analyze a DNS packet. So filter for this is, I think, just type DNS because I'm interested in DNS protocol, the packets, actual DNS packets, and enter. Okay, so I see the first request, myresume.com. So let's just double click this packet, and you see a domain name system query. So expand this, and then let's expand the query. Query is www.myresume.com. So as type is the host address, and transaction ID is 0002. So for the response, you expect to see the same transaction ID. So let's look at the transaction ID for the response packet. So here's the response packet, and let's open it. This is the response. As you can see, they use the same transaction ID. And look at the answer. Let's look at the answer. Answer says the IP address for myresume.com is 192.168.0.20. Okay. Sorry. So you can do you can also do the same analysis for FTP and then response for the FTP DNS request. So this is request for FTP myresume.com, and this is response. So let me stop our recording.